Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Eric Cartman from Southpark. Now I'm going to get started in the center of the page at the very top with the pom-pom of his hat. So let's start in the middle. I'm going to draw a curve going up and then around. Now we're just going to continue this all the way around. So let's draw a smaller one on the side here. Now we're going to curve down towards the bottom. So coming down, then up. Now we're going to do various size half circles, going all the way around. So draw a medium one, slightly larger one, and then I'm going to close this gap here with a small half circle. Now I'm going to draw a large oval for the head in behind this pom-pom. So we're going to start on the left side here. We're going to curve around and then down towards the chin. I'm just going to make my way back up on the right side. We're going to bring this all the way up in towards the side on the right. Now let's move in towards the center of the oval and draw a point. Now this is the point in between the eyes, so let's start with the left eye. We're going to draw an oval in a slight angle. So start from the center, go up, curve around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the center. Now we take that and flip it over on the right side. So let's start from the middle, curve down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top, and then in the middle. Now we're going to push the pupils in towards the center here. So starting on the left side here, we're going to draw a small circle. And then we'll move over towards the right side and just line this up. And then we'll fill those in black. Now let's draw a curve just above the eyes for the brim of the hat. So we start on the left side. We're going to curve up above the eyes, leaving a little bit of space. And then we'll come back down on the right side. Now we're going to do that same curve just above. So we step up. Just duplicate that curve. Now we're going to move down below the eyes in the center here and draw in the mouth. So it's a curve from left to right. Starting on the left side, we'll curve down and then back up. We're going to step down and draw his chin. So the same curve, a little bit longer. Curve down the middle and then up. Now we're going to draw on a double chin. So it's a long curve starting from the left side here. Curve down and then back up on the right side. Now that we got the head, let's work our way down the body. So I'm going to start on either side of the head. Let's start on the left side here. We're going to curve down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. So let's line this up on the right side, curve down and then out. Now at the end here, we're going to draw on the hands. So we're going to draw a circle on the left side, starting from this line, go around to the bottom, then back up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right side. On the top inside edge of the hands, we're going to draw a smaller circle, so lined up right up against the side here. This is for the thumb. Do the same thing on the right. Directly below the hands, we're going to draw two curves coming down and then in. Starting on the left side, we'll curve down and in with a short curve. We'll do that on both sides. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve for the lower part of the jacket. Coming down in the middle, and back up on the right side. In the center of the body, just below the chin, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down. Now on the left side of this line, we're going to draw 3 little ovals for the buttons. Starting at the very top, draw one oval. Now we'll go to the bottom and draw another oval at the bottom here. And then right in between. Now we're going to fill these in black. Now let's move down and draw a straight line going across for the bottom of the feet. So we're going to line this up with the bottom of the hip. We go straight across towards the right. Now in the center here, we're going to step up and draw a point. From this point, I'm going to curve off the top of the foot and then down towards the left side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, starting from the center. And then from the hips, we're going to curve down and then in behind the feet. So let's start on the left side here, we're going to curve around and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Eric Cartman from Southpark. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.